This is the Think Tank Backstory 15 backpack made for camera gear. So let's open it up and see how many different ways you can use it. So first thing right off the bat is you've got handles on both sides, and on the top there is a nice big deep pocket here for water bottle storage or a small tripod. We've got a zipper enclosure in the front, which is going to allow us access into laptop storage or tablet storage, as well as all kinds of organized divider pockets that actually go pretty deep down in here, and this goes all the way down to the bottom, just right off the bat with that front pocket. You've got another strap right here, which is going to be great for securing a tripod or other things. Another strap on the bottom. This zipper enclosure is going to give you like a cell phone size pocket on the front there, and then in here opens up for basically excess strap storage. Over here on the top, you've got access into your camera compartment if you want to set it up that way, and these nice zippered mesh pockets for extra storage. And then around the back, we've got a whole lot of padding here, carry-on pass-through, and then the ability to open up the whole bag to get to all of your camera gear. So these Think Tank dividers are always really nice. You know, they're Velcro dividers, but these really thick, nice and padded, and you can really configure this out in any configuration that you can dream up. And then over here on this side, you've got a couple more zippered mesh pockets. So all in all, really like the way that Think Tank has set this bag up with this back access kind of bag that fits up to a 15-inch laptop.